Yeah, beware, back on this track. Death threat, ready to attack. But this time, I'ma give you two of my motherfuckers, ready to kill and pull their motherfucking triggers. To be conquered by death is where you are bound. But we are the kings of rap, kings of hardcore, we are the kings of the underground. Behold, Glock 9.
Come follow me now into the other side of the bomb and the death to the land of torture and murder and live with them without a single breath. Kings of the underground. Make your love, get away in a minute, copping down to the grave, busting some caps and I'm gonna be saved from the wrath of my Tech 9. Get away from me, Glock 9. Got a bit of minute depths of feel. Fuck 'em, man, you're never gonna tell. It's me, guns that are gonna be loaded, taking lives, me never fail. Gonna kill, gonna feel, me caps and you'll kill. 16 pieces of slugs through your body, so meal. Cause I'm a big killing you all with my 9mm grubby shit in them niggas up against the wall. One gun, gonna watch the foe. Right down to the fucking grave, and you got to pray that you're gonna be saved from the wrath of my path. Because you treat me as an outcast. Niggas so bitter, gon' get away from me. Gonna fuck with the dot under the so me be putting the bullets inside of my gun. Me be locking and targeting, living in death at the land of the hardest. Me dripping the blood, and nobody can stop me, not even your demon God.
Gusto mo bang mamatay? Pwes maghanap ka sa amin ng away. Hindi ka namin uurungan sa kahit ano pa man laban. Sa lahat ng may ayaw sa amin, mga putang ina nyo, bumabi ng lahat ng mga kalaban. Narito na ang Verdugo, Maneka Hijack.
Sa unang udyat pa lamang may bantana ng kamatayan. Hijack nandito na at ako ang batayan. Sa lahat ng kumukontra sa aming sinimulan, mag-ingat na kayo, death threat ang basihan. Mga sake MCs na kulang sa bilis, humanda na kayo at kami ang maglilitis. Sa lahat ng may sala, katapat nyo lang ay bala. Mga taong nakaitim na, hindi marunong maawa. Dumating na ang balakid sa inyong mga buhay-buhay. Death threat nandito na at kami ang kumakatay. Huwag nyo nang hintayin at huwag nyo na rin balakin na magsalubungan landas natin, kayo'y aming lalamunin. Ratratang kung ratratan, hardcore daw sila, mga bahagang buntot. Kehins kayo uubra, ha! Death threat to ay sa speed, walang kinakatakutan. Pag bumanat ay todo karakas nyo'y babalatan, ha! Better recognize, niggas.